You can now build apps with Lovable directly inside of ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that right, directly inside of it. For example, I'm inside of ChatGPT, and not only did I come up with my idea, but I just simply tagged @Lovable and I began building my app from scratch. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do the exact same thing and why this is potentially going to change the future of vibe coding. So without further ado, let's dive right into this. All right guys, so this is gonna be a quick tutorial. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. So first of all, we're gonna come over to good old fashioned ChatGPT, and this is as simple as just doing @ and then looking for Lovable. And if we select Lovable here, we can now just give it a prompt and basically it'll go ahead and start building our app. So I'm gonna show you exactly how this looks and how simple it is to do. So I'm just gonna tag Lovable and then just say, build me an app. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna use ChatGPT on the back end to not only come up with that app idea, but it's also gonna begin building that app directly inside of our ChatGPT interface. So I'm gonna click send. Next, you can see it's actually connecting to our app here. And simply, I just have to initiate this project and it will begin building our app. It's gonna show every stage of the app building process that it's in. You can see that it's right now creating the project, and I could even click this open in Lovable button, which will take us to our normal interface that we have whenever we're interacting with Lovable. So before I show you exactly what that output is, let's let it do its thing. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this right now because you might need to set it up this first initial time, and I've already set that up. So if you wanna set this up yourself, it's as simple as just tagging @Lovable, and then we're gonna be prompted with this connector. All we have to do here is click this continue button for us to connect our Lovable account. We're gonna click on continue. We're gonna click continue. You're obviously gonna wanna make sure you have a Lovable account. It's signed into my account here. I'm just gonna click allow, and now it will be able to run directly inside of my ChatGPT interface. So one thing I wanna quickly mention and why I really enjoy this integration so far and why I think it's gonna be a potential game changer is that you could see that this built me an app that is an influencer marketing agency CRM because it knows that I personally run an influencer marketing agency. So it has context on everything ChatGPT knows about us. We can then start implementing those into the apps that we build, which is really cool to me. All right, so just like that, a couple of minutes later, you could see the initial landing page interface for our Lovable app. It even gives us the link to open our project, or I could click this open in Lovable button. And now we have our app that was designed inside of ChatGPT that we can now begin making edits to. And let me see if this is working here. And there we go. Looks like we now have our app that is built out. And then if we want to make changes to this, we then could just make changes directly inside of Lovable. One thing I do want to mention is this builds that initial first output. It will not go ahead and allow you to make changes to our app. So for example, I just said, now I want you to add a dark mode. And I did this inside of ChatGPT to see if it could make this change directly from here. It looks like it only initiates the app building process inside of Lovable. If we want to make any other changes, we would need to come directly inside of Lovable to make these app changes. If you guys aren't familiar with Lovable, you can now go ahead and add a database in here. You could add the ability for users to sign up. You could even add Stripe payments to your apps. You could customize your app however you would like. You could even go ahead and publish your app to a specific URL. That way anybody can access this on the internet. All right, so if we want to turn our app prototype into a functional app now, add a database, add different AI features, I'm going to show you exactly how we can do that inside of Lovable. Again, we can't use this inside of ChatGPT. We need to come and actually make our changes inside of Lovable. ChatGPT just kickstarts this process. So first of all, we come up to this Lovable cloud, and this is where our database is. So you can see we already have this pre-existing database. It shows all of our agencies, our brands, our contacts, basically all of the information we need to store, as well as it shows the user sign up. So it shows that my Gmail here, the account that I signed up with, is now basically a user of our app, so they can log in and access our account and all the information inside of their account. Next, I could come and click on enable AI. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So that way I could use AI inside of my platform and it'll automatically, bake in these AI features I don't want to add to my app. All right, so it looks like the AI is now added. Let me just say add AI task suggestions. I'm going to use this pre-selected prompts and I'm going to build in this feature here. If we want, we could go and even edit the code specifically. You could see all of these different pages and files of code that Lovable has written. So if you know how to code, you're able to go in and make those changes accordingly. All right, and just like that, it actually added this AI task feature. So it'll automatically suggest tasks to add to my to-do list or task list based on the stuff that's on my dashboard. So this is a pretty cool feature. You can build out a bunch of different features inside of your Lovable app if you just take a couple of prompts, get really specific with instructions, and you'll be amazed at what it could do. So let me go back one more time. I'm going to try out this new ChatGPT integration. I basically said at Lovable, based on what you know about me, build me an app that you think would be useful. So since ChatGPT knows everything about me because I use it every single day and it knows lots about my business and my personal life, I'm gonna send this off and it's probably gonna build me something that I would use and that it thinks that I would need to use. Something that I'm personally really excited for is when we can use Lovable and make changes and test out our app directly inside of ChatGPT like this. Right now, OpenAI has this thing called the Apps SDK, which is basically what allows different platforms to integrate with ChatGPT like this. They build it in the Apps SDK, but right now it's not fully customizable. Some of these companies like Lovable are a bit limited to how they can build out the user interface of this integration. So I think over time, this is going to get better and better, and hopefully we can make changes in Lovable directly inside of ChatGPT. And guys, just like that, it began spinning up our app. Again, I could just click open in Lovable, make changes, and even launch my app from there. So guys, if you got some value from this video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and there's going to be a link in the description below to try this out yourself so you can start building apps with Lovable directly inside of ChatGPT. So thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.